Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at Dumle Originals, a candy by Fazer. And Fazer is a Finnish company, but the candy originated in Sweden. That's why I bought it at IKEA, because IKEA always sells these kind of Swedish, Norwegian, Scandinavian products. It looks pretty good. It's of course candy, and candy is always a good thing, even though it's not good for your health, but sometimes you gotta enjoy yourself, right? I already opened it up by, tearing a part of the packaging, which is, I think, the official way to open it. And the packaging also says it's palm oil free. And when we take a look at the ingredients, that's true, because they use coconut oil. If you take a look at the other ingredients, it's basically sugar, glucose, coconut oil. It might contain caramel, nuts, almonds, whatever. Favorites. And if you take a look at the calories, that's basically also true. Let's take a look at how it looks. If we take a look at the packaging, it's a traditional toffee packaging. It has the Dumle branding. Let's open it up. And this is what's inside, and that's a chocolate-covered toffee. Who would have guessed? We would have guessed, because that's what we said. Let's take a bite and let's check out what's inside. So inside there's this caramelly whey product. It tastes really good. It's chewy. You really need to chew. That's the toffee for you. But it is pretty good. It tastes really good. It's a great product. So these Dumbles, they're not the best candy in the world, but they are pretty good. It's fun to try. So this is a 4-star product, guys. Because, well, can go bad, but I wouldn't buy them every week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, enjoy your candy, and check you later.